Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln, this is Dan, and that's my friend Kai.
Have you ever wondered what's inside of a wasp nest? We did. We kind of got curious and wanted to know. We went outside, all of our wasp nests had lots of wasps in them, and they were very small. We went onto eBay, and you can buy wasp nests from people. This came from Wisconsin. I just bought a wasp nest for like 30 bucks from somebody in Wisconsin. So we're gonna cut this open and get this wasp nest out of here. Hopefully it's actually in here. Hopefully bees don't come flying out at us.
Yeah.
No wasps yet have flown out. Oh, it's so gross.
Oh my god, it's disgusting. That's huge. Oh my. That is huge!
That is the biggest wasp nest I've ever seen.
Yeah, me too. I don't know how comfortable I am with cutting this open inside the house.
I have no idea. It would be kind of funny to cut it open in the house.
All right.
Yeah, let's do it right here.
Yeah, let's
Kai says we cut it open in the house.
Let's
We're cutting
do
it
it.
open in the house. All right, so what'd you get? A basketball
and a soccer ball.
and a soccer ball. Put the soccer ball next to it.
It's way bigger than a soccer ball.
Or
But
for other people outside of the U.S., a football. Don't get mad at me. I said it right.
That is really disgusting.
That's even bigger than a basketball.
Like, when you think about it, there's tons of wasps that are on that, and I'm touching it right now.
All right, it's time. The biggest wasp nest that I've ever seen is about to be cut open. Okay, if bees come out, you guys save me, okay?
No,
you mean you saved me?
No, we'll be saving our lives,
Not yours.
Oh my god. Wow, that's pretty easy.
That's gonna make me sick. Ew! Oh my gosh.
This is really disgusting.
Oh, I can't wait to see what's inside of this thing. Cutting paper. Very hard paper.
I'm gonna take a sample of that. Oh, look at that. There's layers and layers and layers.
Okay, guys, you ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
What's in there?
Whoa!
That's amazing. They still have like dead eggs in there.
All right, check out the inside of this guy. All the different little homes from the different bees that were in there, the different wasps that were in there. Wow.
Rip it apart.
That is fascinating.
Oh, dead bee. Dead wasp.
Lincoln is very afraid of wasps.
I got stung 4 times. Stop one.
Oh my gosh, Lincoln's gonna cry.
Look at crying. He's freaked out.
Wow.
Well, this one. Bzzz.
I am really scared of those.
You're really scared of those? Okay. I don't know if any of you are as afraid as Lincoln is of wasps, but that was fun. We've kept a lot of the things that we cut open. This is one I don't know that I want to keep. What do you think? Should we put it in a plastic bag and just hide it away in the garage somewhere?
Do it.
Just hold on to it. If you guys need your own wasp nest, go to eBay. You can get one. But we cut things open so you don't have to, so now you don't have to cut open a wasp nest anymore.
Thanks for watching the grossest edition of What's Inside. I want to get out of here. Please.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram so that you can see all the gross things that we're up to. Hey, Lincoln, it's your new hat. It's like the soccer ball. Now I'm gonna clean all this up before my wife comes down and sees this. I'm just gonna let her watch the video and see what we did.